Well, guys, it is finally time. I've been waiting a long time for the past months to finally unbox this. Major League Baseball batting helmet standings. I got this for Christmas, but the reason why I haven't unboxed it yet is because it wasn't really that time to open this. So I just promised myself to wait until the very last week before the MLB season starts. Now, the MLB season starts in March 29th. Today, as you can see on the computer right there, is March 22nd. And so we're now a week before the MLB season starts. And it is time to unbox this. Now, here we go. I don't exactly know how you're supposed to do this, but I have no idea how to open this. I'll be right back. So I found the perfect way to unbox this is to just cut open with a knife. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, apparently it's not the best way to do it. I'll be back again. Alright, so I found a better way to do this is to cut this open with scissors. So I'm going to do that instead. Maybe this will work better. Oh, it does. Let's do it from here. Okay, this is made out of plastic, so obviously I'm having trouble with this. Okay. The thing is, I don't want to hurt myself doing this. how you're supposed to do this. Oh, there we go. Oh. Wait, is that supposed to be like that? Oh, okay, I see how you do this, sorry. So see how I just pulled a hat out there? I don't know how you're supposed to do that. I think you're supposed to push it. And same way I pushed it out. Okay, I have no idea how I did that. Okay, there we go. And there it goes. Okay, there we go. Now I know how you put this in correctly. So there it is. There, I just put it back. So you pull out to take it out. And then you push back in to put it back in. I think that's how you do it. I'm sure. Alright, let me get some standings pulled up so I can do this. As you can see, I got the standings pulled up here on the computer. There they are. Alright. So we're gonna switch out New York with Baltimore. That's how the spring training standings fights. Pull out the end of the helmet. Okay, out. How come that one was so easy to pull out? And this one's like, okay, there we go. Baltimore is supposed to be okay, this is very confusing. Apparently I'm having trouble with this. Okay. After Baltimore and Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay is before Toronto. Seems like Baltimore's the second place team. So I'm gonna put their hat. Boston's hat out. We're gonna switch the standings. There we go there. Baltimore's in second. Tampa Bay's in third. So we'll take their helmet out and put them in third. Toronto's in fourth.